Good morning or good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Today's date is March 12th, and today I'm going to be getting the slabs over at the mill to bring them back and get them leveled and put with the other slabs. Currently, I'm at Home Depot to get more straps to strap them down, so that way we can keep them nice and tight and compact, so that way it'll kind of prevent the warping. So that's what I'm going to do today. And right after this, I'm gonna go right down the road and pick up the slabs. And I'll see you in the next clip. Currently at the mill, getting ready to get load up the slabs, which they're right here, and there's one directly behind the trailer. So it was definitely a fun experience getting that huge log milled up. It was pretty costly, but it's going to be worth it in the end. That's what I'm hoping. But it will be. But yeah, I can't wait to get to it. Let's get these loaded up and we'll get it back to the house. Got the slabs back home. We have 6 of the smaller oak slabs, and they're pretty nice looking. I didn't really get a chance to get footage of moving it because it was just me and the other guy who was helping moving it. But we got this nice, beautiful long slab. Let me see if I can try to fix the camera. There we go. It's a little bit sideways. But we'll get a little bit closer look and I can show you the other part on it. There's the other side right here. And these little black marks in here, they're saying it could be an old bullet or so. That's what they're saying. It could be an old screw. But this was from years and years ago. We don't know what could be inside of it. But it's such a beautiful piece. So then I just gotta get a nice spot. Maybe bundled up right next to the other slab here, or slabs. These are the 12-footers. And you get them stickers and all that sorts to get them ready to go. And then I'll get them off and get them loaded. So, yeah. It's gonna be nice. Have a great day. Just dropping back in. So, for today, we got a wonderful chance to go to the Livestock Rodeo Houston. So I took some footage and I'm just gonna throw that in there. Yeah, thought you would enjoy. Have a great day.
When a horse comes and orange flags on the ground, they're going to say the animal did not give the cowboy a fair start. He's got $1,500 won. He's got a finish in the top 5. 78.5 there. That is the #1 bareback rider in the world.
Casimir comes in here, sets Jarvis up perfect for that first trail to snap right around it. Casimir does a better job in the business. He stays so square in every barrel as she gets in that turn. Let's cheer on him when he gets that check.
Wins the ball. Rawhide Magic. Oh, too far away. So the direction that bull spins. That's right, he's the Triple Crown winner, entertainer of the year. 68 points in an earlier round. All right. He's ready to go. He's going to get I'll be honest with you, I didn't know Pickles could be a last name, but I love it. That is number 7. Go, Zoe! Houston is entertaining Texas with Emily Brinkmeyer. 6-year-old Emily. It's 5-year-old Lauren Gilman.
And he is for you, he's not against you. And he is trustworthy at all times. And this next song is one that I love, and I'm gonna have to tell y'all the truth now, okay? When I came out with this song,